This is problem number 1, and our instructions are to find the mean, the median, and the mode. Let's get started. You're always going to want to put your data in order. So always go from smallest number to biggest number. It looks like it's in order, except that we have these 2's at the end, and they should be in the front. So I'm just going to rewrite this problem. You have 1, 2, 3 of this same number of the 2's. Then we have 3, 3. And then we have the 7 and the 8. So those are our numbers in our data set, and they are in order from smallest to biggest. Now I can add up all of the numbers, and I'm going to divide by the total number of values. So on my calculator, I'm just going to add up all of these numbers. And when I do that, go ahead and pause the video and try it on your calculator. But you should get a total of 27. After you do that, the next step is going to be to divide by however many numbers there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers total. So we're going to divide this by 7. If you put that in your calculator, you get an approximate answer. So I'll make these squiggly. That means approximately 3.86. Sometimes an approximate answer is not good enough, and you're asked to give an exact answer. If that's the case, then you'll need to make it into a fraction, and fractions will give you a nice exact answer. So this is what it would look like. Instead of writing it as 27 divided by 7 long ways, you would write it as a fraction, 27 divided by 7. So now it just turns into a fraction that needs to be in mixed, because the top is bigger than the bottom, so you have to fix this. How many times does 7 go into 27 without going over? 7 goes into 27, let's see, 3 times. Because if you try to go in 4 times, 7 times 4 is 28, and you've gone over. So you cannot go over. So 7 times 3 is 21. How much more do you need to get to 27? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. You need 6 more to get to 27. And then the bottom number stays the same. So this is your answer in fraction form, and this is your answer in decimal form. On your quiz in PLP, they do ask for the fraction answer. So make sure you go through the steps of creating a mixed fraction from your answer. So our answer for our mean is 3 6/7. Our next item on our to-do list is to find the median. So in order to find the median, we are going to go ahead and find that middle number. Your numbers have to be in order, which they are. And then you just look for that middle number. I like to use my fingers to zoom in. So I go from the outside, I cover up one on each side, and I just keep on moving until I find that middle number. And so we see here that that middle number is 3. For our mode, we're looking for the number that repeats the most. The way you can remember is MO, MO for most. So mode is the number that repeats the most. And that would be your 2's, because you have 3 of them there. So the answer is 2. And that's it. That's it for problem number 1.